In today's video, I will walk you through how to blend two images in Canva. Go to Canva and create a new presentation. Next, go to Elements, then Shapes, and open Basic Shapes. Choose the circle shape and place it on the canvas. Click on the circle, go to the color option, and change the color to black. Adjust the size like this and place it in the middle of the page. Now go to Text and type your text. Change the text color to black. Then go to Font and change the font as you like. Increase the font size and place the text like this on the canvas. After that, go to Effects and select Outline. Change the outline color to white and increase the thickness until it looks like this. When you finish, download this page as a PNG file. Next, select everything on the canvas and delete it. Upload a new image that you want to use. Then bring in another image that you will use as the background. You can upload your own image or go to Elements and search for photos. Choose the image you want to use as the background. Now go to Apps and search for Blend Image. Open the app, click on the first image, and use it as the bottom layer. Then click Use Selected Image. After that, click on the second image and use it as the top layer. Click Use Selected Image again. Now go to Blend Mode and scroll down until you find Screen. Select it. Next, click Adjust Top Layer. Move the image position and adjust the scale however you want until the blend looks right. Once you finish adjusting the image, click Add to Design. Increase the size and position it on the canvas like this. And here is the final result. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.